Well, she said if I ever deceived her, she'd be gone before I could count 10. I guess that I did not believe her. Now just look at the trouble I'm in. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. No more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Well, I lost every right to be happy when I lost the good love I'd found. She swore that she'd leave and she left me before my first tear hit the ground. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Well, if I only knew where to find her, I would crawl back on my hands and knees. Each tick of the clock's a reminder she's 1 second farther from me. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther down the track. Yeah, the more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther down the track.
Welcome to Carmine's Country Corner, folks. Oh my God. You better be good tonight, Paul. Your wife just showed up.
I know.
She's watching you like a
I
hawk.
try to be good.
Where was she last week? You said she was out of town or something a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
You've been traveling a lot,
Tahoe.
haven't you,
She
Colleen?
was up at Lake Tahoe, I think.
Oh, that's where it was. God, I love that place. Anyway, never been there.
It's another place you've never been.
You know, yeah, a lot of places. We got Tony coming up and sitting in with us today. Tony, how you doing?
I'm doing great. Good to be here. Thank
We
you
had
for
a
having
great
me.
4th of July party at your house that was just spectacular.
We had this band right here at my house, I'm proud to say, and they were spectacular. And people were talking about the music 3 days after the party. They
Well, I
really
wasn't
were.
talking about the band. I was talking about just the party in general.
It was a great party. We had a great time.
A lot of good food, good people. What'd you get, about 100 people, maybe
We
more?
had just about 100 people,
Yeah, it was
maybe
great.
90, right around 90 we counted.
It was a good, beautiful night too. The view, and you could see fire from his patio. You could see fireworks literally from here to Newport to just incredible how many cities he covers. And there was fireworks going off everywhere. It was really great.
It's something to see.
We see Disneyland, Knott's, Studio City,
Yeah.
all the big theme parks. You can see them all from there. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah. Thank you, Carmen.
Okay, well, so much for that. Paul,
Yeah.
like the shirt.
Thank you. I like
Look
your
at
shirt.
my daughter Kim bought me this one.
It's a beauty.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
And we have Danny Ugart on bass.
Yes, we do.
And you're playing acoustic guitar tonight.
How about that?
I think it's great.
Who thought of that?
I love it. I don't know. Somebody called. Actually, I was driving back from, where was I? Oh, Ventura. I went up there to Jerry McWhorter's birthday party, 61st first birthday party yesterday, and Sue and I went up and we played. You know, I played with the band like he always lets everybody go through and play. And so we had a ball, and on the way back, I told Sue, I said, I think I'm going to call Paul and ask him if he'd like to play some rhythm guitar, and we'll get Dan on bass. We'll add a man to the band, and try to give it more of a country acoustic.
A real
rhythm.
man.
Yeah, you know. And if anybody knows how to play acoustic rhythm guitar, with all the recording this guy's done, he has his own studio, and that's all he cuts his country albums, as far as I know. And I figured you'd kind of be the guy
I'm doing
to
my
get
best.
on it. Yeah, well, your best is pretty damn good, I got to tell you. And then we have Tony on acoustic, so I like got stereo acoustic guitars, and I love it. Swan, you want to do one right off the bat?
A bat, a song about a bat.
Yeah, you want to do one?
Yeah, I'm gonna try one. If I mess it up, it's Carmine's fault. We'll do this in C.
Good key.
So all you people that play tuba, you'll be in B flat. Everybody's gone away. They're all leaving for LA. Not a soul I know around. Everybody's leaving town. Some caught a bus, some caught a train. Leave the sunshine for the rain. Not a soul I know around. Everybody's leaving town. Some gotta win, some gotta lose. The time Charlie's got the blues. You know my wife keeps telling me not a kid at 33. Play around, you lose your life. Play too long, you lose your wife. I've got my pills to ease the pain. Can't find nothing to ease the rain. Not a soul I know around. Everybody's leaving town. Some gotta win, some gotta lose. The time Charlie's got the blues. gotta win, some gotta lose. Good time Charlie's got the blues.
Great job.
Yeah,
So we got my sister Leah showed up with half her family. Hey kids! Good to see him. Joey's here tonight. Colleen, of course, is here. And Dr. Teresa and Dr. Kathy. So we got what, 2, 4, 6, 8. We got about 8 people out there. They finally outnumbered the band, the audience. Finally. You guys did it.
After all these years, you know.
All these years. Damn.
Go
Maybe
right ahead.
maybe we can draw a crowd, Tony. I don't know. Tony, do a song.
Okay. Swinging oh, now there's a little girl in our neighborhood. Her name is Charlotte Johnson, and she's really looking good. Thought I'd go to see her, called her on the phone, walked on over to her house, and this was going on. Brother's in the parlor, eating chocolate pie. Mama's in the kitchen, cutting chicken up to fry. Daddy's in the backyard, grinding up the garden hose. Me and little Charlotte been loved down to our toes. We'll be swinging. We'll be swinging. Little Charlotte, she's that pretty as the angels will sing. Can't believe I'm out here on the front porch on the swing, the swing. Carmen. swinging all alone. We'll be swinging. We'll be swing. Little Charlotte, she's as pretty as the angel will sing. Can't believe I'm out here on the front porch in the swing, the swing. I wanna hear Carmen pick some of that guitar. Very strong piano. Swinging. We'll be swing. Swinging.
I think at the end I was supposed to go to the 5 and do the out, and I just stayed. I just played around on the 1 till I.
Whatever you did, I liked
Because I
it.
was totally lost.
It was what we call different.
You ever get lost though, and it ends up being a good thing? You know, like you find a new place to go, you know, or something. Or maybe you meet somebody. You know, if you hadn't gotten lost, and never would have met that person if you didn't totally screw up. You know. Most of my good things in life have happened by accident anyway. Every time I plan something, yawn. So, Paul,
Yes.
turn that guitar. Do some country.
You see, I don't know how much this higher this is.
Well, no, I'm just saying, do what you want, and otherwise have fun. Do it where you're comfortable.
Sounds fun, but let's try that. Halftime. Swing Low Sweet Cherry.
Oh, I love this song.
Oh, this is a great, great song.
I looked over Jordan, and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. I am sometimes up and I am sometimes down, coming for to carry me home. But still my soul feels heavily bound, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Coming for to carry me home.
You earned yourself a double solo.
I did.
So good.
Yeah, the second one was shaky.
Yeah, well, a lot of times, guy takes a solo one time, he's done.
I was hoping to get through
You were
one.
so good, I said, do it twice.
Thank you, Carmen.
I learned something watching you. He's been teaching me for years, this guy.
Oh, vice versa.
Oh, you have. Get it up a little. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. And since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Swan. I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Oh, blue and broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted. I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without, you know what I mean? Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted. Check it out. I might have kicked it off a little too fast. I got a little rambunctious there for. I thought I was 20 years younger or something, but I'm not. Anyway, Tony, you got another one?
Yeah.
Well, let's
yeah,
do it.
Sure. This is an old Eddie Arnold song. C. Make the world go away. Get it off of my shoulders. Say the things you used to say and make the world go away. Make the world go away. Get it off of my shoulders. Say the things you used to say and make the world go away. I'm sorry if I hurt you. I'll make it up day by day. Just say you still love me and make the world go away. Gary. Before the world took me astray. If you do, then forgive me and make the world go away. Now make the world go away and get it off of my shoulders. Just say the things you used to say and make the world go away. Paul. One more, Paul. I like it. Carmen, please. Do you remember when you needed me? Before the world took me astray. If you do, then forgive me and make the world go away. Make the world go away and get it off of my shoulder. Just say the things you used to say and make the world go away. Now say the things you used to say and make the world go away.
Nice job, Tony.
Paul did a great job on the acoustic guitar.
I like it. It's a nice
Very nice.
Dan, you're doing a great job on bass, as always.
Are we on?
Yeah, wait. Dan just said, ready when you are. I love Dan.
Anytime you're ready, Mr. DeMille, remember that joke?
Yeah. So we're here at Carmine's Country Corner, right next door to Bob Smith Toyota.
They sell cars there.
They do.
Best cars in town.
Best cars in town. And if you need a car, go see Bob Smith. Paul, do another one.
Okay.
We're doing just song after song tonight, and I like it. We got a lot of time left. You're good.
Want me to do that bird song? I don't know. That's got a lot of chords in it.
That's up to you. Well, can you guys? If you three can do it, we got it.
Now let's try it.
Let's do it.
A.
Just don't make
The reason why, oh, I can't stay. I have to let you go, babe, and right away. After what you did, I can't stay on, and I probably feel a whole lot better when you're gone. When you're gone, baby, for a long time, you had me believe that your love was all mine, and that's the way it would be. But I didn't know that you were putting me on, and I probably feel a whole lot better when you're gone. Oh, when you're gone. Now I gotta say that it's not like before, and I'm not gonna play your games anymore. After what you did, I can't stay on, and I probably feel a whole lot better when you're gone. Oh, when you're gone. Carmen, you take one. Now I gotta say that it's not like before, and I'm not gonna play your games anymore. After what you did, I can't stay on, and I probably feel a whole lot better when you're gone. Oh, when you're gone. Oh, when you're gone.
Birds. The boys.
Well, we got through it.
Yeah.
Good job, Paul. Thanks.
Better than I thought we
Oh,
would.
I
That
thought it was great. There's a couple more times we'll have it down. Whole lot better, the birds. Gary Swan, what do you got?
Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heart admit. But today I loving you again. What a fool I was to think I'd get by with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the world yet to come. And crying time for me had just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heartache mend. Today I started loving you again. Fool I was, think I'd get by with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the word yet to come. Crying time for me just begun. Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. Today I started loving you again. Today I started loving you again.
Now we got it. Great job.
Thank you.
That boy can sing. Well, we were out in front of Mr. B's. It had to be about 6 years ago. In North Hollywood, there's Gary Swan, Steve Travato, my brother Buddy, who passed on, of course. And who else? Oh, I think Lynn Colton. Anyway, we were at a jam session, and Gary Swan said to me, and all I ever heard him play was that choppy soul music, and all that stuff. I mean, I love it. It's great stuff, but I'm not going to do it. But anyway, I did do it for about 13 years when we ran all those blues jam sessions. And I got to meet another whole bunch of guitar players like Guitar Jack and Ken Berry and Eric Garcia and many more. I mean, there was so many. Steve Hunter introduced me to all those guys. So I'm up there playing this Tully. I'm doing Merle Haggard licks behind, going down the road. What's the name of that Chicago song? Oh, I forget. Anyway, the big blues song stuff, all this blues stuff. And I'm doing these bendy chicken picking stuff. But, I lasted 13 years with that bunch before they finally got rid of me.
They got wise.
You did pretty good.
Somebody finally said, someone stood up and said, he's not really not playing blues. And they all said, get the hell out of there.
Took them
I
13
got away
years.
with it for a long time.
13 years to figure that out.
They did.
And some country blues. You thrown in some
Anyway,
country in there.
so Gary Swan said to me out in front of Mr. B's, why don't you start a country band? I said, well, I've already kind of, I do a lot of that, but yeah, I'll put something together. He said, I can play country, and I had no idea that he could. And so we put together the reissue of the Wild Country Band, and we started doing this wild country thing, doing the show here and all that stuff, and we had a lot of fun. And Gary, you were the guy that kind of pushed me to do it.
Oh, boy.
Well, those are nice, kind words, old boy.
Well,
Yeah,
did
You could
Gary
thank me, or you could say, hey, it's been fun, or something.
did Gary know country? He said he knew Carmen. Did Gary know
plays
country?
great country.
He plays great
Yeah,
country.
Great.
I know
Totally
he does.
floored me. Anyway, Paul, do another one.
Banks of the Ohio in E. I asked my love, take a walk, just to walk a little ways. As we walked along, we talked all about our wedding day, and only say that you'll be mine, and in our home we'll happy be, down beside where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. I held a knife against her breast, as into my arms she pressed, crying, Willie, don't you murder me. I'm not prepared for eternity, and only say that you'll be mine, and in our home we'll happy be, down beside where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. I took her by her lily white hand, I walked her down that bank of sand, pushed her in where she would drown. I watched her as she floated down, and only say that he'll be mine, and in our home I went straight home twixt 12 and 1, thinking, God, would have I known I killed the only one I loved because she would not marry me and only say that he'll be mine. And in our home we'll happy be down beside where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. The very next day, 4:30, the sheriff came knocking at my door. He said, now boy, don't you try to run. You'll have to pay for the crime you done. And only say that you'll be mine. And in our home we'll happy be down beside where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. And only say that you'll be mine. And in our home we'll happy be down beside where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio.
Some dueling banjos that are going at it. Pretty good.
went together.
Sounded good.
A lot of words. I have messed them up worse than that before.
A lot of words.
Now you're going to be doing the fair with us.
Yes, I am.
Are you doing the 1st or the 5th? Do you know the date?
I don't know the
There's
date.
2 dates, the 1st and the 5th.
I feel like it's the 5th, but I'm not sure.
Well, I wish it was both of them, but I guess Dave Wilson's going to do one of them and you're
Okay.
doing one of them.
Yeah, I'm looking forward
And
to
George Green on drums and Jimmy Eaton on. Now I've been doing that Ventura Fair with them. They hired me. I think this is my 15th year. I think.
Wow.
Been doing it a long time,
that. Wow, wow.
and it's a lot of fun. It's 2 days a year, and usually in August, around the beginning of August. And she's got a thing called the Black Rose Band, the group. And I've always loved her singing. Known
She's
him a
great.
long time.
Oh,
And
yeah,
Jimmy,
she's
because
great.
he was with us here for a long time.
Long time.
Until I decided to go over to the piano, and I don't know why I did that.
I don't know either.
Except that I love this guy, and plus he can play. So, you know, what the hell? Who
I
cares?
ain't playing at the fair.
But Swan, I love Gary Swan.
Well, you know what? I'm playing the fair 5 days. Just thought I'd throw that in.
Did you say playing? Or are you going to be at
I'm
the gate
going to be
carrying
performing
tickets?
for 5 days.
Are you going to be up the Ventura Fair?
Yeah,
Right?
I'm not going to talk to you now.
What do you mean? I'll come and see you.
I don't care.
Okay,
I
you
have
don't
plenty
care?
of people there already.
Okay, well,
My
listen.
fans.
Okay, well, he's
You
doing
have-
5 nights.
His stilts are already there.
Yeah.
He's going to be walking around. You'll see him walking around the fair.
Yeah, he's the pony. Yeah, on the stilts.
I'm making the big money there.
Well,
I'm making the peanuts. I'm making the big bucks.
I'm going to change the name of this thing to Gary Swan's Country Corner.
That's going to cost
I think it might not. He said that's going to
You're
cost
gonna have to
you.
get a bigger
I know
sign.
it'll cost me. Yeah.
You're gonna have to get a bigger sign, Gary.
Swan, you want to do another one?
I thought we let Tony get do one. But
Tony, doing a little bit. We only
One
got
more.
7 minutes.
Yeah, one more last.
Paul's
chance.
got
One more Gary and one
You
more
want to do
Tony.
one more
and
last
then-
chance? Okay.
Who said that? Who said that? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. She was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good book in her left hand, rolling beer in her right. Said you come home for the last time. Whiskey on your breath. Gonna listen to my preaching. Gonna get you every day. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. Get the good old boys making noise, running round on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. First she hit my glasses, 'cause she knows that I can't see. Said you ain't going nowhere, boy. Spend a little time with me. Well, my friends call on my honky tonk. There's a party going on around here. She may have hit my car key, but I done got my hold on me. After that is, give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, babe. It's the best that I can do. This good old boys making noise, running around on you. Just one more last chance before you say we're through. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby. It's the best that I can do. Get the good old boys making noise, ain't running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through.
Tony, do one more. Please.
I'd love to. I'd love to. You want to do something up or down?
Whatever you want to
Here's
do.
an old
Tony.
song. that Anne Murray did. I'll bring this one right off the closet. This is really old in the key of C. Song called Snowbird.
Let's do it.
Beneath that snowy mountain, cold and clean, the unbought glass strides waiting for his coat to turn to green grass. The snowbird sings a song I'll always sing, and speak to me of flowers that will bloom again in spring. When I was young, my heart was young and true, and anything it told me, that's the thing that I would do. But now I felt such emptiness within, for the things I wanted most in life, the things I couldn't win. Here we go. Little tiny wings and fly away, and take the snow back with you, where it came from on that day. For the one I love forever has been untrue, and if I could, you know that I would fly away with you. Gary. And anything you told me, that's the thing that I would do. But now I feel such emptiness within, for the thing I wanted most in life, the thing I couldn't win. Here we go. So spread your tiny wings and fly away, and take the snow back with you, where it came from on that day. For the one I love forever's been untrue, and if I could, you'd know that I would fall in love with you. Gary.
That's the show, folks. We felt like picking at the end. Paul, you are doing mighty fine.
Oh, thank you, Carmen.
So, Tony, thanks for coming up.
Thanks for asking
We had
me.
a lot of, there's the stool and the amp just every week. Come on up and do a couple of songs with us.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Hey, we love you all. Thanks for coming. See you next week. Don't be late. Carmine's Country Corner. Push a like. What's it on Facebook? Share and like on Facebook, and like and subscribe on YouTube. Anyway,
Sounds good.
love you. See you next week. Don't be late.